Hello you guys, today we are going to be opening up this box from Lancôme and I am so excited because I don't know what's in here. I didn't order this, it just showed up on my door. This is hashtag non-spons? I don't know. It's from Lancôme. I don't know why they sent it to me. It's not like I have a huge following to promote it or anything, but I like Lancôme. Lancôme is where I got my first professional makeup. Is that what you call it? That was my first non-drugstore makeup, and I went to, I think Dillard's with my grandma, and then they did my makeup all in Lancôme, and this was around 2013, and then afterwards, instead of buying one product, my grandma bought every single thing that they used on my face. So for a long time, the only makeup I had was Lancôme. And of what I had back then, I still have this eyeshadow palette and this blush, highlighter, and contour palette. And as you can see, they're both super beat up, extremely. I will show you the insides. I'm not saying this is how I use my makeup to this day. And by use, I mean abuse. I don't abuse it like this. But at some point, you can clearly see it has been through a lot. a lot. But at first it was cute. You have the mirror with Paris and everything like that. That first eyeshadow that was right here, I used all the time. It was this beautiful color, oh gosh, called Flight. I have no idea what that was called, but I just got a chunk of eyeshadow on my dress. It's lovely. Okay, this is the blush, highlighter, contour, which I still use the blush to this day. I don't know how to use highlighter, so I don't usually use it, but this is the blush and the highlighter. As you can see, once upon a time it had contour. I don't know if I used it all or if it fell out, but here it is. Also had a cute little mirror, very beat up. But anyways, I'm super excited to open this box, and I'm also going to make it clear now that I have no idea how to use makeup. I never watched YouTube videos. I definitely should have, and my skin is horrible, and the only reason I really use makeup today is because I have such bad PIE or post-inflammatory arrhythmia that I feel like I have to wear it in order to go out in public or to make videos. So, insecurity, admitting to the internet. But seriously, one time my skin was so bad, I had so much cystic acne during high school that I literally did not go to school for 2 weeks straight. And I didn't start wearing makeup until late junior year, but that is when COVID hit, so I did not get the rest of junior or senior year. But I've been wearing makeup ever since. I feel like I'm talking so much, and you guys are here for the mystery box, and so am I, so let's get to it. Oh. Okay, so first of all, there is a little note, and it says Lancôme. It says, "Get glowing with Lancôme. Summer is here and we have the secret to unlocking your ultimate glow," which I need, as you can tell. "From glossy lips to glowing serums, we have you covered with everything you need for your summer selfies." I am so insecure, I have not taken a summer selfie yet. "Get ready to glow like never before with some of our favorites. XX, your Lancôme family." Which honestly I appreciate. This is super nice, super sweet. Honestly, appreciate. They also have their own tissue paper, which I've somehow already ripped, but it says Lancôme on it. Okay, so the first thing in here is this Clarifying, Refining, and Brightening Pro Solution, which I definitely need 1000% because, as I've mentioned, I have very bad red marks, my skin is very dull. I am getting BBL at the end of this month, so I'm so excited for that, and that is broadband laser. So that's essentially going to shoot some light into my skin, and then my skin will look amazing again. It hasn't looked amazing since I was 10, so I'm excited. There's a little tape there. I don't want to rip it. Hold on. Let me get some scissors. I know you shouldn't cut towards your fingers, but I think I'm fine. I already did it. It's okay. Let's see. Ooh, oh Oh my gosh, okay. This is so pretty. I don't know how well this camera's going to do at showing it, but like, it's a nice bottle. It's actually glass, which, okay, I shouldn't be impressed by glass, but so many products are packaged in plastic that like, this is bougie. Okay, and that's like a good amount of product too. I'm impressed. Oh my gosh, and they have the little rose on the top. They're Lancôme rose. Let's see. I'll open it for you guys. Still not used to this whole like social media thing. Ooh, it's got a nice little dropper. I'm probably gonna look so silly doing this, but that is a-okay. Do a little ASMR for y'all. Okay, this literally smells like rose petals. This smells so nice. I don't know if it's going to work. I might make like an update video of like using this for a month because I guess it takes like a month for anything to work on your skin, so I'll give an update on this. Okay, product number 2. I believe this is a perfume. I did take French for 3 years, but I don't know what this says, so I guess that shows how much I was paying attention. Again, I'll just use the scissors. It's very shimmery. Okay. Let's see, how's that open? I guess I'm just going to open it from the bottom. Okay. Ooh. I opened it backwards, I'm sorry. So the bottle on this is absolutely stunning. I love this little fabric accent to it. And then let's see how it smells. Oh my gosh, okay, so it's kind of citrusy. I don't know, it smells like early 2000s if you walked into a Victoria's Secret and then walked into a Bath and Body Works at the mall. And I don't know how you guys feel about that smell, but to me it's very comforting. See if I can like spritz it for you audio loving. I love ASMR, so randomly incorporating it into my videos, aside from my true crime videos, is something I really want to do. But yeah, that is the perfume. Next, we are going to do this eyeliner, which I love eyeliner on people. I absolutely do. I don't know how to do it myself yet, but I love how it looks. See how this does. Ooh, okay, the packaging for the eyeliner itself and I guess the packaging look so identical. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, and like the reflection with the light, I don't know if it shows up well on camera, but it looks so good. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if that's a good thing, but that looks like it'll give like a good like stroke of eyeliner. I love how I'm reviewing makeup not knowing anything about makeup. This is fun. I hope you guys are also having fun. And like the little random tangents. Let's swatch it. I don't know if you swatch eyeliner. Okay, hopefully that looks good. Oh, okay. I mean, it looks bold. I love that. I need to go somewhere where I can wear eyeliner. I guess I could wear it at home. Okay, now we're going to do the mascaras. And there are 2 mascaras, which is so exciting. I don't really know what the difference is. Let's see, this one says it is the Booster XL, and this one says that it is Feather Light 360 Micro Bristles. 95% saw an instant lift. Okay, as you guys can see, those are their reference photos saying what this mascara can do. So let's open this one first. Oh my gosh. Okay, once again, love, love, love the packaging. Most of my mascara tubes are black, and so this one really stands out already. Let's open her up. Okay. That is just gorgeous. I love how I'm bringing it closer to me to show myself when like this is about you guys. I should be showing you guys. Let's see, let's open it for the microphone. I love the sound of mascara, especially new mascara. I'm looking forward to this because when I first shopped and got all that makeup at Dillard's that was Lancôme, there was a mascara. It was a thinner mascara. It was like a kind of a starter mascara, I feel like. And I used that until it dried out. Okay, let's open up the Volume XL. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Once again, standing out with the tube color from the get-go. Now, let's open it up. Okay. Okay, honestly, was not what I was expecting. I was expecting a bigger brush. Is that what you call it? Bristles? Bigger bristles? But actually, okay, wait, is it white? Wait, oh! Okay, so I'm assuming this is one of the ones where like it boosts your natural lashes or like your pre-existing mascara, but you don't see it. Like, it's invisible, it dries clear. You guys know what I mean. If you're into makeup, like actually, then you definitely know what I mean. These are the two mascaras, super cute. Cannot wait to use these. The last two things in the box are lip glosses, which I absolutely love lip glosses. My favorite ones that I currently use are these two from Maybelline. Now, just because they are so satisfying to hear, I'm gonna open up that one. Oh my gosh, I love it. Lip glosses and mascaras. Okay, so Lancôme gave me two different shades. This is 02, which is Spring Fling, and this is 04, which is Miracle. And you can kind of see the colors on the top, which I appreciate. I don't feel like enough brands show the colors. So let's open Spring Fling up. Ooh, oh my gosh, I have not had a tube lip gloss like this in so long. This gives me nostalgia for some reason. Like, I felt like back in the early like 90s and 2000s, this is like the only type of bottle that my mom ever had lip gloss in, and I would try to steal hers. This is cute. Okay, all right, let's see how we do. Okay, that probably looked weird doing on camera, but is there a difference? I don't know yet. I guess I'll look when I'm editing, but I can tell you guys it does feel like kind of like heavy and sticky, and like it's tolerable. Like, it's not horribly sticky and heavy, but in comparison to the Maybelline ones, it does feel very heavy. And those ones do have hyaluronic acid, so those are very hydrating. This, I don't know if this has, let's see, let's read the ingredients. Okay, so after reading the back of the box, I don't see any necessarily like super good hydrating ingredients. It doesn't seem to have like any super bad ingredients, but this is just like purely makeup. Like, it's not makeup to help your skin or help your lips necessarily get like healthier. Let's open up, this is Miracle. Let's open up Miracle. Okay, so Miracle, honestly, it's more glittery. I don't know if you guys can tell with the lighting, but it's definitely more glittery. It has about the same ingredients as the other ones. However, this does not say that it is hydrating on it. It just says Juicy Tubes Original. So let's see. I know I'm already wearing lip gloss, but like, maybe it'll look good layered. Is there a difference? I don't know. Honestly, hold on, yeah, it's pretty like gummy, as you guys can tell. I just put that on my finger. So let me go wash that off really quick. Overall, I think after I've used the makeup products, I can give a way better review, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. As I said, this is my very first unboxing, so yeah, let me know what you think. Great, bye guys.